Since last couple of years, MacBook is coming with the Touch ID. Most of the time when we do system administration work on the Mac, we use sudo command. And for this sudo, we have to provide a password. As MacBook comes with a Touch ID, we can use the Touch ID for the authentication. I will tell you how. You open the terminal, and when you try to run a command with sudo, it will ask you for the password. I will show you how to provide your Touch ID for this password so you don't have to type in your password every time. So what you do is that you will open etc pam.d and there will be sudo. One time you have to provide a password, and in this you have to just enable this auth sufficient pam underscore tid.so. If it is not there, you can add it and just save the file. And you might need to close your window and start it again. Now, once you say sudo and any command, say groups, then instead of typing in password, it will ask you a touch ID. I hope this will save your time.